The Botanic Gardens here at OSU is also home of Oklahoma gardening, and so we always like to keep you up to date on what's happening here at the Botanic Garden. And joining me today is Dr. Lou Anello, who is the director, and you've got some exciting news to share with us. Tell us what's going on.
A new building.
Yes.
So we're calling it the Horticulture Education Center, and it's 2,100 square feet. We have not had a building for about 3 years. We have not had a classroom out here for about 3 years. So we're really excited to have a building, or soon have a building back. So construction has started.
And we are on the south end of the Botanic Gardens, right off of Highway 51. So it's easy access.
It's going to be much better, much easier access for people. And also we'll have a separate parking lot here, because this building, the people that use the building are very often a different audience from the people that use the garden. So we'll have a parking lot for the garden and then a parking lot for the building. And it's, like you said, it's so close to the highway, easy access, it'll be great.
So people using the building, who can use the building?
Well, we're not going to rent it out for private use.
Okay.
But we will let people that are allied with our mission to use it. So the Oklahoma Hort Society, the Payne County Audubon Society. We love to form those partnerships because that's programming that then we don't have to do. You know, they partner with us and they do the programming, and that's great. We love that. But we won't be doing weddings and things like that.
Okay, and of course we offer a lot of Master Gardener tours here and training, so I know they're looking forward to this as well.
Right, so it's great for doing workshops, but also it's great to have that space in case the weather turns bad. So, you know, people are investing time and money to get here and maybe bringing a whole group, and we don't want their whole day to be wasted if it's raining. And so at least then we can have a space indoors, maybe give a PowerPoint presentation or something like that.
And now we're not just talking towards the adult audience, right? It's going to be an opportunity for youth education as well?
Right. So Dr. Shelley Mitchell will be housed in this building, or have an office in here at least. And so she'll be able to do a lot more youth programming. And Drina Schufran is going to host her open houses for the Insect Adventure here at this new building. And so we'll have, it's all about programming. Programming.
Which is exciting for the Botanic Garden to really have more of an opportunity to do those educational activities.
Right, so we've really needed this space, and so we're really excited to have that back.
So last week we had a big event. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, we had the groundbreaking, and so that was great. So our donors were all here. This is a really great public-private partnership. And so our donors were all here. TSET gave us a big grant to help build this, the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust. And so they were here. Our private donors were here. And then, of course, we had the support of department people, our ambassadors, friends. It was a really nice event, and a lot of people were here.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this. I know it's an exciting opportunity. Any idea on the timeline a little bit? Just watch and see?
Yeah, well, one never knows, but we're hoping for September, October.
Okay, well, if there's anything that's going to make it rain, it's a construction project, right? So we are looking forward to this project developing, and we will keep you updated also as it develops. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.